Hi gamers, welcome back. This is the third part of how to always win with playing Match Factory. Remember to not allow them to push you to pay for anything. If you keep paying them, the system will continue to make it harder to win, so it's better to stop paying them. It's like a sugar high and they're constantly dangling cookies in our faces. Ha ha! They'll eventually figure out that you won't be annoyed into making them richer. I think the super hard levels can be some of the easier and funner ones to beat. I always use the extra 30-second and rocket items for this level, and now that I'm getting and holding on to a lot of coins, I don't mind using 100 coins for the extra 60 seconds to win the level. I refuse to shell out more than 100 per level to keep adding 60 seconds, so when I put my foot down one day and said that I'd stop playing the game for hours or until the next day when I knew I was being given a really hard level, that's when the game eventually stopped trying so hard to keep me from winning. I think they try to make it hard again after each app update, but it hasn't been as hard as it used to be at the beginning because I stood up to their algorithm. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vid and that you check out the next one.